Yeah, Miracle, mixtape coming soon, 2011 freestyle. Listen. I'm stuck in the shadows of the darkness. Now the demon is making me heartless. Unleash the beast, they call me an artist. I'm an angel, breathe my calmness. I'm a nightmare, so call me disastrous. And I'm so dark that shadows gone past us. And my mind is overly fast, like creatures about to blow in a rock. It ain't enough, watch me go nuts. I'm so heartless, I show no love like a shark. I roll with a cold blood, I'm about to blow. Yeah, like oh fuck, let me show you the demon inside. I feel dark with the evil in my eyes. Can't let go cause it keeps me alive. Like the stars that appear in the night. Cause I've been doing this for a period of time. So when I write bars, they appear in my mind. Dark as I still put the light upon it. Back to this earth but I was ironic. Got a sick blue flow, call me Sonic. Miracle know that I'm the hot topic. I might smash bars when I drop it. Sick vocabulary, you can even call it knowledge. Cause I curse the words with the verse. Let go with the burst, I flow with the words. In and out with the nurse, now I'm back to rehearse. No time to reverse, and plus let me speak. I'm in love with the music, I'm in love with the beat. And I write so hard that I can't even sleep. I might take my anger out on the beats, I might take my anger out on the streets.